going on, everyone? I'm going to change the pads for my headphones. These ones have cooling gel inside of them, apparently, but they're also fabric, as opposed to this stupid pleather crap. So I'm going to see. I'm going to try using a guitar pick. Seems to work fine, maybe. So since you got these apart, you might want to dust off your speakers. If you got like a little keyboard vacuum or something, you could probably use that. Probably be better than wiping it off, but this is all I got down here right now, so that's what I'm going to use. Make sure you pay attention to what side it is. This is the right side, so I'm going to use the right pad that you can see already on my thumb. Those other ear pads just deteriorate, and that crap ends up all over you. It's annoying as hell. So you want to line up this big plastic piece here with the pad. There's a bigger area of pad on the inside. You want to line those up, and then line them up with where they connect to as well. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. So I think I got them on there. Other side is connected. Dude, why is it every time I think a video is going to take a couple minutes to make, it ends up something happens? Right, that was a click. Still a gap right here. I don't want to break these, so I'm trying to. There we go. Alright. First time doing this. If you have like one of these little reading glass repair, little tiny kit, that might work as well. Let's try that. That worked just fine. Use a guitar pick, use a flathead screwdriver if you want. So I'm wondering if this one didn't have enough. I don't know. Man, it looks like the line is pretty even, but you can see there's a lot over here, and then you get smaller at the edge. And apparently this one was going to start coming out too, I guess. Or maybe it was a glue issue. There's a thin layer of glue on there, it looks like. So I guess the glue wore off on these. Either way, they're going in the trash. Clean out the speaker. Same thing. Do it the same way. I really might get one of those little keyboard vacuums. Little tiny ones. I think that'd be very useful. That's on. See if I can. No. Alright, there we go. Try them on. Yeah, that's nice. So there you go. That's how you swap out your earpads for your PlayStation 5 Pulse headphones. There you go. Thanks for watching.